I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You're single because you want to. You're single because you put yourself in this situation. And the reality is that if you keep that same mindset, you're gonna be single for the rest of your life. I'm gonna give you an example of this. You thinking she's the perfect one is keeping you single. This mindset is toxic. Usually the guys that believe that one girl is their perfect girl are the same guys that get no play and are the same girls that are not even giving you attention, which is crazy. So you believe that the one girl out of 3 billion on the planet is the one girl for you, and that one girl for you is not giving you any attention. Do you really see a positive way out of this? Obviously not. You're gonna remain obsessed, she's gonna remain not giving you attention, and you'll never meet anyone else. Which takes me to number 2. Most of you don't meet anyone else because of performance anxiety. You have anxiety to perform. Not only to meet the girl or any new girl, but the prettier the girl is, the more you get that performance anxiety to think, man, I'm not gonna be good enough. Man, she probably deals with other caliber of men, and you never make the approach. And then once you do make the approach, you're literally crapping your pants to text her, to date her, or even take it further, sexually, because you constantly have that performance anxiety killing you and drowning you. And look, I can help you on every single aspect of this. The one aspect where I can't help you is sexually. Obviously, I won't be there, but who can help you is our sponsor, Roman. See, you have to understand, bro, performance anxiety isn't just in your head. You have the strength to tackle that girl. You have the strength to be able to talk to her, to go up to her, to be able to date her. And when it comes to sexually, you're not alone. Every guy deals with this. Up to 50% of men have symptoms that get in the way of wanting or enjoying sex. But Roman's here to help. Our sponsor, Roman, what I like about them is that they're tackling these men's health issues that most other companies didn't think of. So many men deal with erectile dysfunction or ED when it comes to performance anxiety. They believe that they're alone. So many men think they're alone. Nobody's talking about it. So they don't find solutions. Well, I'm here telling you there is a solution and you're not alone if you've ever dealt with it. Our sponsor, Roman, has you covered. Roman offers prescription medication that gets delivered to your door to help you achieve a stronger, longer lasting erection. They don't even stop there. You have to understand that Roman is not just dealing with ED. They also deal with premature ejaculation. How many of you guys, when you get excited, there's a beautiful girl, you finally made it, the girl of your dreams, you got a little too excited. You got a little too excited, you couldn't control yourself. They got you covered too. Yo, they have these discreet wipes where you literally just wipe your Johnson down and it is proven to help you last up to 4 times longer in bed. They don't even stop there. They also offer testosterone treatment and testing because a lot of you have low testosterone and that's why maybe you're dealing with ED or low sex drive, etc. With Roman, they actually offer a testing kit and also the treatment if you do have low testosterone. And the best part, no waiting in lines, no doctor's visits, no awkward conversations with the doctor about what's going on in your bedroom. Everything's done discreetly from the comfort of your home and everything gets delivered to your home in unmarked boxes so not even your mailman has to know. It's completely private to you. If you guys want to check out Roman, you guys can check out my unique link down below or go to ro.co/TMF. Again, that's ro.co/TMF to get 20% off your first order. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. The third screwed up mindset, oh, my parents have a screwed up marriage, so mine is the same. I'm just my father's child. Do not have that cop out. You could literally say this for everything in your life and it's still a cop out. Oh, I'm an alcoholic because my dad's an alcoholic. Oh, I'm a cheater because my dad's a cheater. It is a cop out. And yes, while nurture does play a heavy toll on your life choices and decision making, you still have to be a man enough to fight against those urges and take complete responsibility over every decision that you make. So if you want to have that healthy, balanced relationship, you're gonna have to understand, you're gonna have to give commitments. You're going to have to put effort in this relationship. And yes, even if nurture's playing a toll, now you're gonna have to fight against those natural urges that you so-called say are ingrained in you. You're going to have to lay that groundwork so you can have that healthy, balanced relationship. If you keep that same toxic mindset, it's gonna be hard for you to ever actually date and be happy. This takes me to number 4. You're waiting for the one. It doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Stop believing in fairy tales, right? The idea that the one exists is a lie. You are looking for the best possible mate. That's how you should look at life. So you shouldn't think that there's some random girl out in the world that is the one for you. And the craziest part is the people that believe this is, bro, there's 8 billion people in the world. Statistically speaking, the chances that the one is in the same town or same school that you went to are basically 0. Like 0.00001, so it's like a null and void. You have to understand that it's a fairy tale. It's only in the movies. What you need to be looking for is the perfect girl for you, which is why dating is so important, right? Because you get to see, all right, these are the attributes that I like. These are the characteristics that I like. And you start building almost this like avatar in your mind of, all right, this is the perfect girl for me. This is what I like, this is what I dislike. And the more you date, the more you can add to this data and information, and then you find the right girl for you. But the idea that there's the one that's made for you, if you keep thinking that, you'll never find her, and you're gonna stay single for the rest of your life. Which ultimately takes me to number 5, the idea that without a girl, you're a loser. And that toxic mindset is toxic because no, you're just a loser and you need to fix that. It's not that you're a loser because you don't have a girl, it's because you're a loser because you're a loser. If your only value is another woman, and that is your entire identity, you have realized you have nothing going for your life. You as a man should have your own ambitions, your own goals, your own hobbies, your own attributes. Whatever builds you up, that fills you with joy, you should add more of that to you. Make yourself an interesting man. Make yourself a man of status, a man that's capable across multiple realms. That is what makes you interesting. But if you think, man, I'm just a loser because I don't have a girl, clearly you have not worked hard enough on yourself.